Hi guys, in this video we will create a new React app and I will use the VS Code IDE. Here it is. If you prefer another IDE, you can have a IDE of your choice. So if you prefer the VS Code, then go to the visualstudio.com and download this IDE. Okay, so after downloading this, you need to download the Node.js and install on your machine. Okay, so the next thing we will do is we need to create React app. So go to the browser, create new React app, look for the create new React app, and it will take you to this React, a JavaScript library for building user interface, this link. So create on the link. So when you click on the link, scroll and you can see we will use this tool to download or to create new React app. So you see here is the create new React app and then followed by the name of the app we want to create. So let's copy this, go to the VS Code, and here you can see a folder employee app. And if you did not see this terminal, you just go to these three dots and you can see create new terminal. Okay, once you have the terminal, just you will need to paste what we have followed by the name of the app that we want to create. So in this case, employee app. Okay, once you have this npx create React app employee app, then click on enter. So this will take a couple of seconds to create. Okay, now after the installation has finished, you can see our application is ready. Here it is. Okay, so now let's start the application. To start the application, first we need to go to the directory of the app using the cd. Let's do this, cd, and the name of the app employee app. Okay, then enter. It will take us to the directory. Then we start the application, npm start, then click enter. This again will take a couple of minutes. Our application started successfully. Okay, now let's go to the browser. You can see the React app is running. Okay, now let's have a quick overview of our React application. So let's go to the VS Code. Here you can see our employee app. So these are the folders and files. You can see we have these node modules. Node modules contain all the installed npm packages. You can see we have this public, consists of the public asset of your application. We also have this source. This is the where we write our source code, the source code of the application. You can see we have these 4 files here, starting from the git ignore. These files are the configuration file of our application. Okay, first let's go to the source, and you can see we have the app.js. Okay, app.js is the root component of the application. You can see we have this. So now let's try to change this and have something like hi. Okay, so remove this and have, let's say we have hi here. Okay, let's save these changes, and you see it is compiling. Okay, you can see we have hi here. Okay, so now let's go and have a quick overview of other folders that we have and files. So go to the VS Code. Here we have the app.css style for the app component, and we also have the index.js. This index.js we have is the It initializes React and renders the root component. The component is the app component. Okay, let's scroll down. We have the index.css. This consists of the global style for the application. Okay, so on in the configuration file, you can see we have this package.json. The package.json consists of the metadata and the dependency. We also have the package log.json, and I will say that this package log.json is the dependency version log. We have the git ignore, and this git ignored files and directory ignored by the git. Okay, we also have this readme. Okay, so this readme is the project documentation. You can see we have all these notes. So we did not check the public. That is the only place we did not check. You can see we have this file, and this is the public asset of the application. As I said earlier, if you click on the index.js, okay, and you can see we have the root element, and it serves all the other element inside this root element. Okay, now this is what we have for the overview of our React application. So see you next.